Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I have a great dessert for you guys today. It's usually served in the summertime, key lime pie. It's really hard to get key limes this time of year, so I had to buy a bottle of key lime juice that I got from the supermarket. Forgot that, let me put that on the counter. So this is all you need. It only takes a couple ingredients. You need 2 limes for garnish. You need a bottle of key lime juice, or if you can get key limes, get you some key limes. I have 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, a ready-made graham cracker crush. You can make that homemade, but you know your girl does not cook, so I got a ready-made one. You need 3/4 of a cup of heavy whipping cream, a grater, because you got to grate the zest of 1 lime, and you need a mixer because you have to mix this. So, and the cream cheese, it only takes 12 ounces, and those are 8-ounce packs, so I'm gonna use 1.5 packs. I'm gonna go ahead and get everything set up for you guys so we can get cooking. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. I upload 2 videos a week. Each has an inspirational quote and a controversial joke with each video. So put you guys on pause, let's get cooking. Okay guys, for this recipe you have to whip 3/4 of a cup of whipping cream, and you have to whip this to really soft peaks. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix this for Okay guys, yeah, you want to make sure this is really whipped well and you've got soft peaks, which I have. So then I'm going to go ahead and set this to the side and get set up so we can get the other part of the filling put together. Okay everyone, I've got the cream cheese in here and 1 can of condensed milk. I'm going to go ahead and mix this up. This has to mix for about a minute, maybe 2, just to get it nice and creamy. Okay, so I'm going to put you guys on pause, and I'm going to go ahead and zest this lime because this needs 2 teaspoons of fresh lime zest before we add the key lime juice. I'll put you on pause, I'll be right back. Okay, had to wash my lime. I'm going to zest 1 lime. That's what the recipe calls for. I hate zesting anything, but here we go. So I'm using a zester. So, and I have another lime for decoration. And what makes this pie so good, you have to, what makes this pie so good is you're able to make this year round by being able to buy the key lime juice, because it's normally probably down south is where I first had this pie, made by Baker Square, and it was absolutely delicious. And every time I order them in a restaurant, my feelings are always hurt because they're always nasty. I don't know what they do to the key lime pie. I've had them look orange, yellow. They just didn't look right, and then they didn't taste right, so I don't know what they were using. So okay, I got that all mixed, zested, and this little contraption here has a brush to get everything in there. So there is 1 lime zested. And you want to mix this again. Okay, I'm gonna scrape down the sides and then you slowly, that's the part you don't wanna miss, this next part coming up, you slowly add the key lime juice. I apologize, I did not get this open. Let me put you guys on pause. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. So you want to add a half a cup of the key lime juice. And if you have real key limes, I would definitely do it that way. So you want to put this in. Okay, see how simple that was? This is all mixed together. So now what happens is I take the whipped cream and fold it in to the pie mixture with the key lime. And this is 12 ounces of cream cheese, half a cup of key lime juice. You just want to lightly fold this in. It's one of the secrets to this. Because a lot of them, people complain about the recipe being runny. This one will not be runny. You will love this. This would be great for Easter or any Sunday or dinner dessert if you can remember to make this 12 hours ahead of time, because a disclaimer, I forgot to tell you guys, this has to set in the refrigerator for 12 hours minimum. Overnight would be best. It's 9 o'clock at night, so mine will be overnight. Okay, got this all mixed up. I'm gonna put you guys on pause and get the pie shell together, and then we'll get ready to get this all assembled. Okay, got my pie shell here. The beauty of these pie shells, when you buy them ready made, they come with a nice little convenient lid. So what I'm gonna do here is spoon in this delicious key lime pie. You'll love this pie. Once you have this one, like I said, you probably won't order them out like I won't either. Like I said, I've had my feelings hurt a million times. When the pie comes, I can look at it and tell it's not gonna be right. But if you have a Baker Square anywhere near your area, they closed here in Michigan. I don't know if they're still open since COVID, but it closed before COVID here. And that was the best key lime pie I've ever had in my life. And this one comes close to whatever their recipe is. So I've got this all smoothed out really nice and smooth. I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator, and like I said, this has to set up for 12 hours and then come back. I'll show you the finished product and tell you guys my great joke. So stay with me. Okay everyone, the pie has been in the refrigerator for about 18 hours, and this is it. It's completely set, and I'm gonna decorate it with some whipped cream. Now this is ready whip. You can, if you like, make real whipped cream, but you know your girl doesn't like to do that. And if you do make real whipped cream, add some sugar to it. I would, to make it sweeter, because whipped cream is not sweet. So I'm just putting whipped cream around the sides of this pie. I like whipped cream. If you don't, leave it off. And then I have some lime zest, because that way you'll know what kind of pie this is. This is freshly grated lime for the key lime pie. Okay, let me get ready to tell you guys my joke. Let me flip the camera around. Oh. Okay guys, there's the pie. I've added some fresh grated lime, and I used Ready Whip just to go around the perimeter of the pie. So let me tell you my joke. A farmer needed to buy a rooster for his hens, for his chickens, Another man had a rooster for sale. The farmer goes to buy the rooster. The man tells him that this is Brewster. He will service your chickens, but he is a sex addict and will go after everything and anything on your farm. The farmer buys Brewster and takes him home. Brewster goes through the hen house, then starts on the farmer's sheep, on the other barnyard animals. After a couple of days of this, the farmer tells Brewster, "You gotta slow down, you're gonna kill yourself." After a week of Brewster going after every animal on the farmer comes out and sees Brewster laid out in the yard. Vultures are already circling. The farmer, cussing, tells the corpse of his rooster, "I told you you'd kill yourself if you didn't stop with your sex-crazed ways." The rooster opens one eye and says, "Shut up, they're about to land." Get it? He was gonna get the vultures who were circling, who thought he was dead. He was playing dead so he could sleep with one of them too. But anyway, that's my joke. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and share. And come back for the next one. I'm going to go ahead and cut some pieces and have pictures for you. This is delicious. You would love it. Give it a try. It's not runny. It's tart, sweet. It's just delicious. Like I said, once you do this, you won't order key lime pie out. So have a good evening and God bless.